Good day, good vibes, and welcome to this guided meditation. This meditation will focus on affirmations, so let's jump straight into it. Close your eyes and take a few moments to see that you are comfortable. Allow yourself to loosen up and let go of any tension. Take this moment to center your thoughts. And take this moment to focus on your own well-being. And bring your attention to your breathing. And as you are breathing in, call all your energy back to you. Pull back any loose ends. Any attached energy. Any loose cords. Just allow yourself to pull all your energy back to you, back into your own energy system, and into your own aura. And now repeat these affirmations in your mind. I choose my vibration deliberately. I am aware of how I feel. I am aware of the value of my emotions. I allow myself to be in the receptive mode. I am in alignment with who that I am becoming. I am connected to source energy. I synchronize with source to manifest my reality. I know that the universe is aware of my intentions. I know that the universe offers me what I am ready for. Through contrast, I find things that I desire. I embrace contrast and keep it in perspective. I consciously set forth my intentions. I understand how the universe works. I understand that my vibration is my reality. I am worthy of love. I am worthy of abundance. I am worthy of emotional stability. I am worthy of financial stability. I am worthy of all of my manifestations. I am worthy of love. I am worthy of abundance. I am worthy of emotional stability. I am worthy of financial stability. I am worthy of all my manifestations. Now just bring your attention to your breathing, calm and relaxed. Notice how peaceful it is. Take this peaceful feeling with you into the rest of your day. Now bring your attention to your body, your feet, legs, back, shoulders, arms, neck and head. Have a little stretch if you need to. Take a few moments to become present in the room that you are in. There is no rush, but when you are ready, you can open your eyes.